So in last class we have studied about tie-set matrix. It will be also known as tie-set matrix or fundamental circuit matrix or fundamental loop matrix. Confused mat ho jana. Generally it will be either you are asking for tie-set matrix or it will be asking for fundamental loop matrix. The fundamental loop matrix or tie-set matrix are same. Yes, in last class we have studied for this tree. We have this as your tie-set matrix. These are twigs. These are links. And these are fundamental loops. Fundamental loop means the loop which will be created due to the insertion of link. When we insert a link in the tree, it will create a loop, and that loop is known as fundamental loop. So we have 4 fundamental loops in this tree. So number of links will be equal to fundamental loops. That means number of independent loop equations in any network will be equal to number of links in the graph. तो इंडिपेंडेंट लूप्स इक्वेशन जो हम बनाते थे, अगर आपको याद हो, तो इक्वेशंस विच वी हैव क्रिएटेड इन लूप एनालिसिस, that will be equal to number of links in the graph. जितने लिंक होंगे उतने ही फंडामेंटल लूप्स होंगे. तो for this network we have 4 fundamental loops. That means if we write the loop equation for this network, to solve this network we will be having 4 equations, and you can also, it has 5 nodes, A, B, C, D and E. 5 nodes A, B, C, D, E, and when we solve a network with 5 nodes, one will be taken as reference, and then it will be 4 nodes, and for 4 nodes we have 4 equations. So similarly, so from a graph we can also find out number of independent loop equations. When we have a big network, it will be directly giving us the number of independent equations which we have to draw. So now what is tie-set matrix and what is the use of this tie-set matrix? So tie-set matrix will give relation between the voltages, branch voltages. For this network, we have 4 twigs and 4 links. We have 4 twigs and 4 links. For clarity, we have 4 twigs and 4 links. We will identify link voltages and twigs voltages. We have links as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. So we have V1, V2, V3 and V4. And twigs voltages as V5, V6, V7 and V8. So your tie set matrix will give relation between link voltage and twig voltage by we have B U. This is your tie set matrix, and then VL, sorry, VT and VL equal to 0. So that is your matrix B is so this is your B, this is your unity matrix U. Now here we will write twig V5, V6, V7, V8, and then VL as V1, V2, V3 and V4 equal to 0. When we multiply, we get V5 minus V6 plus V1 equal to 0, V6 minus V7 plus V2 equal to 0, V7 minus V8 plus V3 equal to 0, and V8 minus V5 plus V4 equal to 0. This is the equation which will be representing the relation between link voltages with respect to twig voltages. And these equation will be useful in writing the final equation for the graph. जो ओरिजिनल नेटवर्क था उसकी फाइनल इक्वेशन इन्हीं इक्वेशनों को कंबाइन करके बनेगी. So that is how we will be writing. And it will also give you relation between link current and twig current. That is, link current means loop currents, and twig current means branch currents. And it will be IL, IB. IL is loop currents, IB is branch currents. So for this network, we have IL as I1, I2, I3 and I4. These are your loops current. जो हमने 4 लूप बनाए थे उनकी करंट I1, I2, I3 and I4. And your branch current IB will be J1, J2, J3, J4, J5, J6, J7, J8. These are the current of each branch. And these are the loop currents. So for this, we will be writing B 1 minus 1 0 0 minus 1 minus 1 into I1, I2, I3, I4 equal to J1, J2, J3, J4, J5, J6, J7, J8. So when you solve it, you get J1 equal to I1 minus J5, J6, J7, J8, J1, J2, J3, J4. J5 as I1 minus I4, J6 as I2 minus I1, J7 as I3 minus I2, J8 I4 minus I3, J1 equal to I1, J2 equal to I2, J3 equal to I3 and J4 equal to I4. एक्चुअल में ये है क्या? This is your network. Now we have loop currents. तो जैसे हम इक्वेशन जब सॉल्व करते हैं बनाते हैं, it is I1, this will be I2, this will be I3 and this will be I4. And the current in this branch is J1, J2, J3, J4, J5, J6, J7, J8. अगर हम सिंपल इक्वेशन भी सॉल्व करते हैं, इस ब्रांच की करंट J1 will be equal to I1, J2 will be equal to I2, J3 will be equal to I3 and J4 will be equal to I4. J5 इस ब्रांच की करंट, this branch current, it will be I1 minus I4. इस ब्रांच की करंट J6 I2 minus I1. J7 करंट, इस ब्रांच की करंट I3 माइनस I2 और इस ब्रांच की करंट J8 I4 minus I3. These are the equation which we will be getting from fundamental loop matrix or tie set matrix. This is how we will be solving or finding the equations. इसमें किसी को कोई कंफ्यूजन
कर सकते हैं क्या सर?
कैसे भी सर्किल होना चाहिए, क्लोज सर्किल होना चाहिए और उस क्लोज सर्किट में एक ही
सेंटर
सर नोड नहीं होना, नोड की जरूरत नहीं है ना सर उसमें?
नोड से मतलब नहीं है मुझे।
नोड लेके कर
सर अगर नोड नहीं है तो 7, 2 और 6 को होगा सर।
नोड नहीं है तो 7
कर सकते हैं, उसके बाद 5,
7 to 6 में क्लोज सर्किल कैसे बनेगा?
नो
सर नोड को छोड़ के हम बीच में कर सकते हैं ना सर?
नहीं, पर क्लोज सर्किल तो बनाना पड़ेगा। सर्किल कैसे बनेगा बताओ? टू 7 6 अगर आप लेते हो तो सर्किल को क्लोज कैसे करोगे? चलो मैं बताता हूं।
सर लिंक कितने भी कट हो सकते हैं?
हाँ,
लिंक कितने भी कट हो सकते हैं?
लिंक
ट्विग तो
एक ही होना चाहिए।
अच्छा,
और सिमिलरली these are your 4 circles. कोई भी सर्किल में देख लो, you have only one twig. लिंक्स कितने भी हो सकते हैं, ट्विग एक ही होगा। तो इसीलिए सेम सर्किट है, इससे अगर मैंने सॉल्व किया तो कितना इजी है, और अगर इसी का ये ट्री सेलेक्ट किया तो इट विल बिकम कॉम्प्लेक्स। तो इसीलिए कहते हैं जो ट्री सेलेक्ट किया अगर वो आपने प्रॉपर किया है तो बहुत इजीली यू कैन सॉल्व।